Welcome to Mastering Solutions. In this motion problem, we'll be using a particle model to understand what is going on in the question. They have this person, Amanda, and they say that she enters an elevator and it rises up to the third floor. So I drew a little elevator here with the arrow going up to show that it's rising to the third floor. So we have floor number 1, 2, and 3. And they want us to draw the particle model of this. So technically with the particle model, we don't need all this here, but I like to have it just because it helps me see it better. So with the particle model, we use dots to represent the object and the motion. So we're going to draw a dot right here to say it starts. Now with an elevator, obviously whenever it first goes, it doesn't just like jolt and go super fast when it goes up high. It starts off and eases a little bit and then speeds up. So it's going to go a little bit and then a little bit further, and then it's going to go at a constant speed. So the dots will be equally spaced, and then it's going to slow down. So they'll get closer and closer, and then it stops at the third floor. So when we draw this picture, the dots are going to be closer and then get further apart, and then they'll all be the same space. And then as it slows down, they'll get closer and closer again. So each of these dots represents the position at a certain time. And even though the space is changing, they're taking a picture, if you imagine like a snapshot, at the same time. So every second or half a second or whatever the time period is, it's consistent. So from this spot to this spot is, we'll say 1 second. This spot to this spot, another second, another second, another second. So it's consistently representing at the exact same time interval what the motion is doing and how they relate to each other. So this right here is what the particle model would look like for Amanda as she goes from the bottom floor to the third floor in an elevator.